Hello, guys. Welcome to our show. I'm your host, Stephanie, and today we'll be playing a game called Pusuan or Pakawalan! Alright, let's start playing Pusuan or Pakawalan. And here comes our sexy aswang contestant. Oh, hello! Hello! Thank you for having me here. So, what's your name and your age? I'm Anika, 26. So, what do you do for a living? I'm a full-time aswang. Okay, so anong hanap mo sa isang buntis? Do you have physical preferences ba or something red flag? Personally, ayaw ko sa payat. I prefer chubby preggies dahil may paniniwala kami na kung healthy si mommy, yummy si baby. Okay? And luckily, healthy naman sila lahat. Pero don't get me wrong, ha? I love all pregnant mommies. Pero sa show na to, dapat isa lang yung piliin ko. Am I right? Yes. No hoarding tayo dito. Okay. So, right now, wala pang nagpop-up sa ating lineup.